Touchdown, Phuket!
We're back!
After 4 years. 4 years ba?
4
Tama.
years, yeah.
We celebrated our first anniversary here and supposed to be dito kami celebrate ng 5th anniversary pero nagkasakit ako. So, yun. Ngayon na lang namin itutuloy yung trip. Magwi-withdraw na tayo ng pera dito sa ATM. This is located paglabas nyo sa immigration. We have our money. This is 10,000 baht. So, ito yung price nila for the internet. Ito na lang kukunin namin, unlimited. So, 8 days, it's 499 baht. Kahit 4 days lang kami dito, ito na lang i-avail namin. Kasi parang bitin yung, ayan, 15 gig. May internet na kami, palabas na kami ng airport. Tinanong namin kung meron silang pocket wifi, wala daw. So, SIM talaga yung ginagamit dito. Yung sundo namin is binok namin via Klook. Mas affordable siya. Naalala ko last time nandito kami, nag-grab kami papunta sa hotel namin. I think until now, may grab pa rin naman dito. So, ang dami rin iba-ibang options guys na bilihan ng SIM. So, bahala na kayo kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. I think pare-parehas lang din naman ang price. Andito na yung sundo namin. Yes, Angel! We are finally here at our resort, Sunwing, Bangtao Beach. In fairness guys, mas affordable itong binok namin sa Klook kesa mag-book kayo ng Grab. So ito yung entrance ng aming hotel. Finally naka-check-in na kami pero hindi pa ready yung room. So iikot muna kami, check namin yung mga amenities. Ano pala to? 4-star restaurant, 4-star hotel, and ang dami nila amenities. By the way, 1 hour advance ang Philippines compared dito sa Phuket. So this is our room. Nagulat kami, it's very spacious.
Okay.
With the price, I must say, very sulit. Medyo kinakabahan lang ako guys, dahil yung weather, medyo parang gloomy. This is our room 3208. Ayan siya. Very, very spacious. Unahin natin yung CR na lang. Meron tayong body wash, shampoo. May pa-design pa yung tissue nila. And guys, meron tayong bidet. Very important. Hair dryer, hand soap, complete, mga towels. And dito sa area na to, we have a sink, coffee, meron tayong tea, initan ng tubig, meron mga cabinet. Uy, kumpleto! May mga pinggan, bowl. In fairness meron din silang microwave and ref. Ayan. So here, meron tayong cabinet. We have bathrobes. Meron tayong safe. Pwede natin ilagay dyan yung mga importanteng bagay. Meron tayong mga laundry bag. Actually, meron silang laundry dito for free. And then we have a big mirror here. Pwede mag-makeup and everything. And this is our bed. So, dalawang single bed siya. Kinombine lang. And dito, lalagay natin yung mga maleta natin. We also have a desk. We can work here. Meron tayong TV. And guys, meron siyang sala set. Amazing. So, I think pwede kayong magdagdag dito until 3 packs. So, pwede may isa pang matulog dyan. And of course, meron tayong balcony. So, meron tayong view ng pool. Ayan siya. And then, meron din tayong view ng beach. Lumabas kami ng hotel. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito. We're going to eat here later. 12 noon pa sila mag-open. Asian Essence. As in, tapat lang siya ng Sunwing. And yung Sunwing. Papunta kaming Family Mart. Wala lang. Mag-check lang kung ano yung mga pwedeng bilhin. Ayan, malapit lang siya. Oh, may ATM din dito. Ayan, money exchange. So, kompleto. Let's see what we can buy from Family Mart. Grabe dito guys. Ang dami nilang flavors ng Lay's. Ang daming pagpipilian. Sana sa Pinas ganyan din. Ang daming pwedeng kung ano-anong bilhin. Nakakatuwa. And this is 24 hours. So, anytime magutom kami, pwede kaming pumunta dito. Siyempre, first day in Thailand, we're going to eat Thai food. In fairness naman, medyo affordable yung food nila. Our food is here. We ordered pad thai na chicken. This is seafood na fried rice. And pad krapao na seafood. Let's eat! Lagi akong inaasar na every time daw na nagtitravel ako, umuulan. Ayan na nga po, umuulan na. We're gonna make the most out of our trip still. Magsiswimming kami sa pool. Yes?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Police.
Finally, the sun is out! Andito kami sa beach and ayun, pinagbigyan tayo. Ang ganda ng weather na. Sana tuloy-tuloy hanggang bukas. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Golden Fish Restaurant. Malapit lang siya dito so magta-taxi lang daw. We're here. Itong area na napuntahan namin, marami siyang magkakalapit na mga establishments. Like maraming restaurants, maraming mga weed shop, maraming mga massage places. Nag-taxi kami papunta dito, parang nabudol kami, 200 baht. Parang that's around 300 pesos. Eh, ang lapit lang. So, I think kaya siyang lakarin pag sa beach kayo dadaan. I ordered tom yum. Miguel ordered, ano yun, Bob? Latna. And then, we have spring rolls. Tapos, nag-order din kami ng cocktail. This is gin and tonic. Tapos, mojito. Cheers! Okay, we're done eating dinner. In fairness, masarap siya.
10 out of 10.
Yes. Asarap na. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maglalakad na kami pabalik ng Sunwing. Titignan namin kung malapit lang. At kung talagang na-scam kami dun sa 200 baht na yun na taxi, nakakaloka.
5 minutes ride.
Nung nagre-research kami about beaches here in Phuket, ito yung isa sa mga hindi masyadong matao and may enjoy mo talaga yung beach. Kung gusto nyo ng talagang nightlife, maraming tao, try nyo Patong Beach. Pero kami kasi ni Miguel, ang goal talaga namin is to enjoy the beach. Hindi naman kami mawalwal, ganyan. Wow.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Medyo layo na nilalakad natin ah.
Pababa ng kinain.
Slow down lang kasi parang natatae.
Yan kayo talaga eh.
We are finally back.
Up to sleep.
Rico. Malapit lang siya, guys, dun sa kinainan namin. As in, walkable. Kanina
Mga
lang...
15 minutes.
Hindi naman.
10 minutes.
Mga 10 lang.
Okay.
Kanina lang medyo umuulan na. So, ang bilis na namin maglakad.
Relax maglakad eh.
It's around mga 8 o'clock na or 9 o'clock and we need to sleep early kasi ang call time namin tomorrow for our PP Islands tour is at 7 a.m. Medyo nasa-stress nga kami dahil 7 a.m. yung start ng breakfast. Pero tinawagan namin yung front desk. Sabi nila pwede daw 6:45. So, 15 minutes kami kakain ng breakfast. By the way, yung tour namin, binook namin through Klook. Kasi ayaw na namin ma-stress, guys. Gusto namin parang relax lang tong trip na to. Sun okay yung weather tomorrow. So, ayun guys. That's it for today. We'll update you again tomorrow. Good night! Hi everyone! Good morning! Grabe. Halatang bagong gising lang ako. Anyway, andito na kami sa breakfast area. Di ako sure kung tutuloy ba yung tour dahil napakalakas ng ulan. As in, bagyo levels. So, inaantay namin yung update nila if tuloy ba or what. Mag-breakfast na lang kami para if ever tuloy, tapos kami mag-breakfast. So, bongga ng breakfast area nila guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ang daming pagpipilian. May fruits area, cold cuts, andito yung mga bread, andito yung ulam, and mga salad. Ayan, meron mga jam. Grabe, ang dami. Meron din dun sa labas mga drinks, may pancakes pa dyan. Super dami, as in. Okay, guys. That was wild. Andito na kami sa pier, ha? Like, andito na kami. Itutuloy na dapat yung tour. Pero, nagdalawang isip kami ni Miguel kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Hindi kami confident na tumuloy sa tour kasi nakakatakot. Although may mga tumuloy, sabi nila big boat naman daw yung gagamitin. Pero hindi kasi namin makita yung worth ng pera namin kung itutuloy namin kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. So for sure, hindi rin namin ma-enjoy. Kinausap namin yung operator, pinamove namin bukas. So ang ano lang dito is, yung pabalik sa hotel, kami na yung bahala kung paano. So, buti na lang may nabook kami na Grab. Grab to guys, isang buong van. So, binayaran namin sa 750 baht. So, I think 1,000 plus yun. Pero okay lang kasi malayo talaga yung hotel. I think 40 minutes, no? Mga ganun. So, we'll update you guys pag andun na kami sa hotel. We are back at our hotel room. Ano oras na ba? 11:24 na actually. Nakapag round 2 pa kami kanina ng breakfast. Umuulan pa rin ng malakas. So, we're just going to explore the resort. Meron sila ng teen lounge dito, tapos may mga games. So, puntahan namin yon. Check lang namin kung anong meron. Actually, meron silang gym. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakapagdala ng gym clothes. So, sayang sana nakapag-gym kami. Andito na kami sa teen lounge. Ayan, meron silang mga pag-games. Diyan may PS4 ata, PS5 sila. Tapos may movie room dun sa kabila. May mga nanonood. So, ayokong videohan or guluhin sila.
Pwede yan dapat, tipo na isa.
Here's the gym. In fairness. Yeah, in fairness, ganda ng gym nila. Okay guys, so andito na kami sa lounge area. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. So, may bilihan ng coffee doon. Maluwag siya. Ayan. Meron ding billiards doon. Time check. It's already around 3 p.m. Ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. Guys, ang lakas ng alon. Bagyo levels na ata to. So, andito kami sa The Lazy Coconut. So, eto siya, The Lazy Coconut. Beach club siya actually, pero parang walang ganap kasi nga umuulan. What can you say about this place?
The place is nice. It's
Chill
10
lang,
out
no?
of 10.
Alam nyo guys, kung hindi sana umulan, ang saya sana. Pero maganda naman yung place, in fairness. So, this is what we ordered. Wagyu burger. Fresh coconut, guys. Ang sarap nito. Para siyang may asukal. The best talaga yung mga fruits nila dito. We also have fries. And we also have chicken souvlaki. In fairness, masarap yung food nila. Masasabi ko lang, medyo mahal yung cocktails nila dito. Parang around 300 to 350 baht. Buti na lang, hindi na kami pala inom ni Miguel. Actually, dapat pupunta kami sa Boat Avenue. Pero, ang mahal guys, ang mahal ng Grab. As in, mga around 400 baht. 2 kilometers lang yun. So, nagulat talaga kami. Ang mahal ng transportation dito sa Phuket. So, ito yung chicken souvlaki. Ang laki ba?
Diba? Sobrang lasa.
In fairness, sobrang lambot ng chicken.
Yep.
Wow. Ito yung Wagyu burger. Let's see if it's good. Grabe, sobrang juicy.
Sarap ng lahat.
That's good. Next agenda is massage. So, ayan, merong massage area dito sa malapit sa shore. And cash basis lang sila, so make sure to bring cash. In fairness, hindi naman ganun kamahal yung massage nila. Parang 300 baht per hour. Papakita ko sa inyo yung prices. Ito yung prices nila. Tapos ganito, dito kayo magmamassage. Usually open yan, pero since umuulan, kailangan takpan. So ayun, papamassage muna kami. We are done with our massage. Ano masasabi mo?
Intense yung massage. Sarap.
Pag gusto nyo ng hard massage, like kayang-kaya nila, yung kinuha ko is Thai massage. Wala pala siyang oil. So like dry massage siya. Oh yeah, wala siyang oil. Dry massage siya. Tapos more on, alam niyo yung dagan-dagan lang. Like, tama ba yung word? Dagan-dagan?
Oh, dagan-dagan.
Oo.
Dagan-dagan ka lang.
Hindi siya yung parang, hindi siya yung,
Hindi siya yung parang nirarub yung gano'n.
oo, hindi siya yung nirarub. Hindi siya yung parang pressure point. Buti na lang guys, tumigil na yung ulan.
Makapag-relax sa beach.
Yes, andito kami sa shore.
Ay.
And ayan yung beach.
Yan ang
Okay guys, update. Pumunta kami sa Family Mart. Bumili kami ng mga kung ano-anong merienda. Meron silang ganito, mangga na may dip. So ito try natin siya later or bukas. By the way, andito kami sa restaurant dito sa harap. Pine Tree. Magti-take out lang kami ng isang food lang. Doon na kami kakain sa room kasi ang dami pa naming tira-tira. Buti na lang pwede mag-take out dito. This is what we're having for dinner. Mga tira-tira namin.
Pero bumili kami ng fried rice.
Yes, fried rice. In fairness guys, ang sarap ng mga fried rice nila. So you have to try them. Ito is pineapple, no? Ito yung kahapon. Yung seafood fried rice nila. Super sarap. So yun, dito lang kami sa room. Hi! Good morning!
Morning.
Time check, it's around 6:55. So, nag-breakfast na kami. Naantay lang namin yung sundo. The best talaga yung breakfast nila dito.
Lahat ng
My
options.
favorite, fruits with plain yogurt and honey. Finally, second attempt of our Fifi Island tour. So, it's a bit sunny. We're really hoping na tuloy-tuloy. And kung uulan man, sana hindi ganun kalakas. Kagaya kahapon, nakakaloka. We're waiting. Natawagin kami. And purple team.
Purple team.
By the way, nagbayad kami ng 1,200 baht para siya sa national...
Pati sa transport nito dito.
Oo, something national, tas transport. So medyo may kamahalan yung tour nila kasi yung binayaran ko sa club is around 2,500. Tas plus 2,500 each. Tapos plus 600 baht each pa. Mga 3,500, mga ganun. By the way, meron namang pa-breakfast dito. So, just in case di kayo nakapag-breakfast
Pero light
sa...
lang.
Oo, light lang. Pero just in case di kayo nakapag-breakfast sa hotel ninyo, at least may pwede kayong kainin.
Somebody come, somebody come. Okay, my name, Jack Sparrow. Okay, today we come with Jack Sparrow team.
We are here at our first stop. This is Kai Island. In fairness, ang puti ng buhangin, as in, para siyang powdery sand, parang Boracay. Tapos sobrang blue ng tubig. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. In fairness, ang ganda. Marami lang talagang tao, syempre. What can we expect? It's a tourist spot. And ayan, may mga upuan silang ganito, pero ito may bayad. 150 baht for 2 chairs. So, at least safe yung mga gamit nyo, iiwan nyo dito. We're going to stay here for an hour. 15 minutes siya from the port, so malapit lang. Grabe, we're so happy na minove namin yung schedule namin dahil kahapon sobrang lakas ng ulan. Now, it's sunny. We're so happy. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Phi Don. Tama? Phi Don Island. And dito yung lunch area. So meron siyang kasamang buffet lunch. So ayan, kakain muna kami. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung kasama dun sa buffet lunch. Okay, this is what we're having for lunch. We have chicken, yung gulay, green curry, and tom yum. This is where we had our lunch. In fairness guys, ang ganda dito. Parang El Nido. Dito kami sa Phi Cliff Beach Resort nag-lunch. Hi! Oy! Hi! There's a big kit! Guys, update. It's already 6:30 p.m. and we're finally back at Sunwing. Ano masasabi mo, Bob?
Saya. Para lang siyang din Pilipinas pero mas high-end.
Oo, kasi parang
Yate.
speedboat, ganon. Karamihan ng lugar na napuntahan namin, syempre maraming turista kasi nga tourist spot siya. Pero in fairness, na-enjoy namin siya. Like, maganda yung mga places.
Ang favorite ko.
Yung Maya Beach.
Ako rin yung Maya Beach. Grabe, ang
Maya
ganda
Bay or Maya Beach? Yun, sobrang ganda.
Yung last natin.
Oo, bawal lang mag-swimming doon, pero super duper nice. Eh, nakakatuwa yung mga bangkero and yung mga captain ng boat. As in, ang galing nila magpa-music, mga hype, ganyan. So nakakatuwa naman.
Pwede mag-English, so nakapag-communicate naman sila
Oo.
ng maayos.
Medyo may kamahalan lang talaga siya. Like, sinasabi ko nga kanina kay Miguel, compared sa Pilipinas, sa atin, like, affordable talaga yung mga tours. Make sure, if you're going to book, check the weather. Kasi hindi nyo talaga may enjoy pag maulan. Buti na lang talaga kanina umaraw.
Food is okay.
Yeah, food is
Sarap yung
okay. In fairness, masarap yung mga ulam nila.
May vegetarian option din kung hindi kayo kumakain ng meat.
To summarize everything, we highly recommend it. Like, talagang nag-enjoy kami. And dapat tonight, pupunta kami sa Bangtao Night Market. Pero ang aga magsara nung night market nila hanggang 8 p.m. lang. So, I think hindi na namin maaabutan. And nadaanan namin kanina, usual night market, like yung mga damit, ganyan, and may mga food.
Naka-tent lang siya.
Oo, yun nga actually yung gusto sana namin for dinner, pero yun hanggang 8 p.m. lang, sayang. Another dinner, another tira-tira. Si Miguel, nag-iinit siya ng mga tira naming food. Tapos, nag-order ulit kami dun sa Pine Tree. Ayan, this is crab meat fried rice, and nag-crave ako ng gulay. So, this is ayan, kangkong lang. Tapos, meron silang mga shake, guys. This is passion fruit and this is kiwi. As in, legit na fruit yan, ha. Sobrang affordable ng food nila and super sarap. I really recommend. Sobrang pagod na kami, guys. Di na namin kaya lumabas. So, eto na lang.
They were born by cesarean 3 months ago, and against all odds, they're still alive.
Good morning!
Morning.
Last day here in Phuket or eating breakfast. I got soup and some salad. Let's eat. Nandito na kami sa Elephant Care Park. Malapit lang siya sa hotel. Kami huling sinundo. Parang mga around 9 na kami nasundo. By the way guys, binook ko to via Klook. And yung nabook ko lang is pagpapakain ng elephants. Tapos kasama yung lunch. So hindi kasama yung pagligo with the elephant. So nag-upgrade kami. Nagbayad kami ng 600 baht per person. Kinomplete experience na namin since ito yung last na ganap namin dito.
One like
Rum powder.
Rum?
Rum powder.
Rum powder.
Stick on your finger.
Look at mine, guys. We're making
elephant food.
elephant food.
Anong ganda nung sa'yo?
Elephant.
温怂 say raise your hand up. Say sorry. Raise your hand up. 温怂 温怂 Okay.
One more?
Yeah, go.
Bunso.
Wow.
Let's do the camera. Sorry. Look at your girlfriend.
Feed in the mouth one by one. Feed in the mouth one by one.
Slowly in the mouth.
Deep, deep, deep.
Deep. Guys, sobrang shocked ako. Yung mga elephant pala, kumakain sila 18 hours a day and they need to eat 150 kilos of food. So, ganon, non-stop lang talaga silang kumakain. Ang galing. And yung mga elephant dito is Asian elephants daw. Yung African elephants are bigger, taller, mas malaki yung mga ears nila. Yung mga elephant dito, smaller ears. So, it's lunchtime. We have gulay, hot dog, chicken, and rice. And then we also have fruits and soup. Yum. Okay guys, we are finally back at the hotel. Si Miguel kakaligo lang. But, ayun, we had such a fun experience dun sa Elephant Sanctuary. I really recommend it if pupunta kayo dito sa Phuket. It's an experience na you shouldn't miss. Even si Miguel, hindi daw niya ina-expect na mag-enjoy siya. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. And saktong-sakto lang yung time. Nakauwi kami ng 12:30. Now we're packing. Actually, nag-request kami sa front desk ng late checkout. So, hanggang 1 p.m. kami. So, we have time. And in fairness sa kanila, walang extra charge. Nag-early check-in din kami. Walang extra charge. So, I really recommend also Sunwing Bangtao. Sobrang ganda ng resort na to. And if you have kids, I highly recommend this resort kasi ang daming activities for kids. All in all, our trip was super duper chill but super fun. As in, gusto ko yung ganito na hindi ngarag. Nagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin and hindi kami stressed. I feel like nagbakasyon talaga ako. So that ends our Phuket vlog. Of course, I will put everything sa description box. Budget, itinerary, links, everything is there. I'm so happy and so grateful that I'm traveling again and sana mas marami pang travel vlogs ang magawa natin. So ayun guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!